Hi, I'm Willie. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. And what we're going to look at in this video is, in the last Grandstream video I did, someone asked me, how do you change the wallpaper on the phone? So you can see that I've got my logo on the phone. And there's a few ways that you can do it. First of all, you can log directly into the phone. But if you have multiple phones and you want the background, what you can do is you can push it through your UCM. So here we are in the UCM. This is a 6202 and a 6300 series on the latest firmware. Zero config is in a different spot. It's under device management. This is the 6202, but it's going to be in the same place. You can do this a couple different places in zero config. The first place that you can go to is you can go to global policy, which is where I have mine set. Now the global policy, you can see here that we've got different screen resolutions, 320 by 240, 480 by 272, which is what the GXP 2170 is, 800 by 400, and then 1024 by 600. So you can see all those different resolutions. Now, if you have a Grandstream phone, now remember, zero config only works with Grandstream phones. If you've got other phones and you're using them with a UCM, there are other ways to provision this. And let me know if that's something that you want to see. We can talk about that. But as you can see here, I uploaded the file. You can see it right here, and it's on the local UCM. So you can store it at an external URL and pull it in, or you can store it on the local UCM server. Now this, like I said, is done in the global policy. If you've got a Grandstream phone that has a resolution that's different than this, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to do it in the model template. And so we can come in here to our 2170 model template, hit edit, and then we would drop this down and go to the customization, just like in the other policy. And right here you can see wallpaper 480 by 272 as an option. We would select that and it would show up down here, and then we would display the source. I'm going to delete that because I'm not going to save it in the template. But that's the other way. The other way, like I said, that you can do it is you can log directly into the phone and upload it per phone. But when we do these, I mean, we have systems with hundreds of phones connected. So for us, using zero config in the policy is the way that we do most things. So if you've got any questions about this, let me know down in the comments. If you want to see third-party phones provisioned with the UCM, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share. Follow me on Twitter and TikTok. Those links are down below, along with affiliate links. And if you need IT consulting for voice over IP, for wireless, networking, security, storage, all those things, head on over to williehowe.com, fill out the contact form, and someone will be in touch with you as soon as possible. Once again, I'm Willie. I want to thank you for being here. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.